Question number 6. Evaluate. First part, sin 35 degree into cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree into sin 55 degree divided by cosecant square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. Sin 35 degree into cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree into sin 55 degree divided by cosecant square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree, that is equal to cos 90 minus 35 equal to 55, sin 35 degree into cos 90 minus 35 degree. 90 minus 35 is equal to 55, and cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Plus cos 35 degree as it is, and sin 90 degree minus 35 degree, that is equal to sin 55 degree, and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta, divided by cosecant 90 minus 80 degree is equal to 10 degree. Cosecant square 90 degree minus 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree, that is equal to sin 35 degree into sin 35 degree plus cos 35 degree into cos 35 degree. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, divided by cosecant square 90 minus theta equal to secant square theta, that is secant square 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, which implies sin square 35 degree plus cos square 35 degree, sin square 35 degree plus cos square 35 degree divided by secant square 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and divided by secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 divided by 1, we get answer is 1. Solution. Second part. Given sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree is equal to sin square 34 degree plus sin square 90 degree minus 34 degree, that is equal to 56 degree. 90 degree minus 34 equal to 56 degree, and we know that sin square 90 minus theta equal to cos square theta plus 2 tan 18 degree and tan 90 degree minus 18 degree. Tan 90 degree minus 18 degree equal to 72 degree minus cot 30 degree is equal to root 3 and cot square 30 degree equal to root 3 square, that is equal to sin square 34 degree plus sin square 90 minus theta is cos square theta, cos square 34 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree and tangent 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, that is cot angle is 18 degree minus root square is cancelled, we get minus 3, that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan 18 degree into 1 upon tan 18 degree. This is cancel, minus 3, which implies we get 1 plus 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 3, which implies 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3 equal to 0, and answer is 0. Given question, sin 35 degree cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree into sin 55 degree upon cosecant square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. We know that sin 35 degree cos 90 minus 35 is equal to 55 degree. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, and this will be sin 35 degree into sin 35 degree, that is sin square 35 degree, and similarly sin 90 minus 35 is equal to sin 55 degree, and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 35, that is cos 35 degree into cos 35 degree is equal to cos square 35 degree. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by cosecant square 90 minus 80 degree, that is secant square 80 degree. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, and cosecant square 90 minus 80 degree is equal to secant square 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree as it is, and we know that secant square 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree, that is equal to 1, and sin square 35 degree plus cos square 35 degree is also 1. 1 divided by 1, we get answer is 1. Second part, sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree into tan 72 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Sin square 34 degree plus sin 90 degree minus 34 degree, that is equal to 56 degree, and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin square 90 degree minus 34 is equal to cos square 34 degree. Sin square 34 degree plus cos square 34 degree, that is equal to 1. and 2 tangent 18 degree into tan 90 degree minus 18 degree, that is equal to 72 degree, minus cot square 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is equal to root 3, then cot square 30 degree is equal to root 3 square. Root square is cancel and we get 3. Tan 90 degree minus 18 degree equal to cot 18 degree, and cot 18 degree we can write 1 upon tan 18 degree. Tan 18 degree, tan 18 degree is cancel and we get 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Answer is 0. Thank you.